Hey guys, it's me again. I'm gonna play some Clash of Clans. So, finally figured out how to do it, and yeah, guys, let's do it. Alright, let's do this. Sister over there. Alright, let's text someone. Hopefully we can get these. Oh, good. Alright. I want good loot. Good loot. Okay, that's hard. Ooh, alright. Let's put our giants. Wall breaker. Archers to kill that. Goodness, I forgot that. Right. Do it. Go giant. I'll turn the volume down a little. Come on, give me a 3-star. Well, at least a 1-star. And a 50%. No! Don't kill. Yes. Get him. Get him. And I'm upgrading my giants to level 2. Go Barbs. So I haven't uploaded for a while too, and yeah guys, sorry. So I'm gonna give a quick video. So. Yes, we have enough time to get these on. What else next? Soda huts. Alright, they're getting that. Now get that. Get them. Go archers. Yeah, 3-star. Bonus. I know that I'm not that much loot, guys. Sorry about that, but it's worth it. Alright, let's train 3. 5. This is what I do. Let's go. There we go. Alright, now, let's get a wall breaker. Wait, do we have? Oh, alright. Let's get that. And yeah, guys. Do these. See if we can get any gems. Come on, come on. You're clapping on it. Yes! No, that's only one. Anything else? Ooh, okay. So, -2. There. Ooh, wood. Whoa, nice. Pretty good. Let's see our people raids. defense log. Let's do it. Oh dang. Alright. It looks like it's going for that strategy. So speed is up. He's using level 2 barbarians, level 2 archers, level 1 giants, and a clank of what might be in it. He got the town hall. Dang. Lucky. If we spawn outside, then I can win. Oh, never mind. Let's go. I'll see this. Oh, he ended. Oh. I don't really like this plan, so I don't really know. Nice. I don't know. I want to upgrade my town hall. I'll just leave it left. Okay. No. What? Oh, okay. Alright. No, oh, there he is. Who's the leader, actually? Alright, guys. I think I'm done with this video. Yeah, hopefully you like that replay. And that. So go, bye.